In this video, I will show you exactly how to navigate the world of Google Cloud and its innovative programs to secure credits for your projects. You might have heard people talking about Google Flow credits as a way to power up applications or machine learning models without breaking the bank. While Google often rebrands its specific offerings, the core of getting these credits lies in understanding the Google Cloud Startup Program and its tiered support system. To begin your journey, you need to head over to the Google Cloud for Startups portal, where they offer different levels based on your current funding and business stage. If you are just starting out with a fresh idea, you can apply for the Bootstrap tier, which provides a solid foundation of credits to build your initial prototype. For those who are already part of a venture capital network or an accelerator, the opportunities expand significantly. Google partners with hundreds of global startup organizations to provide high-value credit packages that can reach into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Another incredible way to earn these credits is through the Google Cloud Skills Boost Labs. By completing specific quests and earning badges, you can often find promotional offers or event-specific codes that add balance to your account. Stay active on the Google Cloud community forums and keep an eye on your inbox for seasonal promotions. Remember to always use a professional business email when applying to increase your credibility during the review process. I hope this guide helps you scale your next big project efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.